Riding the lightning of a million screens, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams, gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line, charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rise and let's climb, let's climb. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Sweating each second in the digital glow. Markets wild, riding highs, riding lows. Futures unfolding like a thunderstorm show. Let that profit rain, let me feel it flow. NASDAQ dreamers, don't give up, no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's with.
Good morning. How about third time's the charm today? December 29, 2025 for 2 more days. All right, I think I got everything going here. Just got to get a pop out for you. Live chat and pop out chat. All right, volume good this morning? Perfect. All right. All right. See if we get anybody today. Okay. All right, let's look over at the daily real quick. And that's what we got. So nice little doji on the daily there. We've come down since then. Probably next big number is probably right here. 608.25. We close, get below that. We could see a nice little hit down. We got a look like a daily gap here. But yeah, 209. A big number. So we'll see. We never did fill this daily gap up here. The potential up move is, oops, went a little bit too far. Somewhere around 30,029. There we go. But we got to get some mumbo to the upside first. Might be slim pickings between now and the end of the year. People taking profit, and then you got the beginning of the year. I think I'm off a little bit. There we go. 30,006. That might be a better number. So anyway, it is what it is. Okay, Gunslinger, you're ready. And I got the bot suite. I got the gunslinger, and then I have TCS down below here, which I'll try to show it when I can, if I remember, if nothing's going on. He's just got one eval hooked to him. And let's see, TCS. Yeah, he's got a take profit trader hooked to him. So we'll see how he does. Just playing just 2 MNQs on it. Let's get SPY up here. Yep, I like SPY. There we go. The 15-minute. Oh, I don't know if I can bring it up there. I'll try. There we go. The 15-minute, you can see these 1-minute gaps fills right here. This is the 21 EM on the 2-minute chart here. The 15 VWAP is way up here at 774. We already came down through all the bear targets on the downside, so that's that. So you never know, we could get a bounce here, move back up. We could chop around today because the move has already been made down 170 points. So it's a little tough one today. Let's see what they want to do. That's TCS taking a trade. Okay, I'm not sure why. Oh, that's why. So here's TCS. Wow, well, that's a crappy fill right there. Entry was down here at 92, didn't get in until 96. So that's not good. Okay, I gotta get some other things going here real quick. Morning, Michael. All right, just got target 1 for, fuck, that's crazy. What a shitty fill. So I'll just go to break even. Didn't get 10 points, probably got like 3 points. Put this guy on, he's ready. I'll be playing just 2, let's see, what am I playing? Batsui. 2, 2, 1, 1. And I didn't do the grading, so that's incorrect. And I don't have time now to do it. Anyway, TCS took both contracts. Both targets were hit. All right, good luck. We're getting ready to fire up here. We'll take one off. There we go. See if we can get this. There we go. Okay. That was a nice little play. You can see he got 35. His box is a little bigger because in case he goes up and takes the long, but I'm actually going to turn him off. I'll display him later. I just don't want him to take this up trade, up move. Okay, so what would be the short on the 2-minute? It would actually be right here. So that was the correct place to take the short, and that short is actually still alive. Damn it, I was just going to jump in there at 92. Too late. Son of a gun. Son of a biscuit eater. All right. As we get closer here, get ready to close that candle, I'll keep an eye on it. It's a legitimate spot to get short. Ooh. Okay. Glad I put that in a little late. So we got that 1 minute gap up there. So both of them can get rid of some of these gaps. There we go. You can see we're hitting up to this one. So I did not take this short or this long here. I did not take it. Probably could have. If I rearm it, it'll be live, so I don't want to do that. Got a minute 58 on this candle for the 5 minute. It looks like we've got some, well, obviously buyers have stepped in on the 15-minute chart. SPY as well. So that means ES is at 69.55. So I'm just going to be patient here. If we come up and take out this high here, or take out this gap, I may get short at 715. If we take out 35. $34.75. See, what is that number? 29. And when I record on my spreadsheet, I'll record whatever the system gets, not what I took, because it doesn't really matter what I took. It's more of tracking the system. If I play hands off, total hands off, and let it play. Oh, it already took the stop out anyway, so it doesn't matter. Good. Good being that I don't have to mess with it. So 30 points, 35, it took 5. Actually, I would like it to come down or to take out that high there. 34.75. There we go. All right, well, gunslingers take that long. Bam. There you go. I'll get rid of that stop. Oops. Oh, come on. Whoa, there we go. Big candle. Spy, what are you doing? Spy going up, testing out that Friday's high at 689.26. Could move up. Probably could have taken 13. Yep, 13 or 20. But that's all right. Let those moves go. All right, we're back up to the bull zone, which is right here. We just tagged it at 814. And bull zone is 814.25 to 828.25. Basically, right here, 814.25 to, oh, we don't go that high. 828, and then we have midnight open right here at 8:56. So we just took out the London high. No. We did not. We missed it. The London high is around 822. We did not take it at 819. Ooh. Just blew past that 5-minute opening range. All right, we can get rid of that guy. Now we got some big gaps here. Let's go. Okay, a lot of this stuff will disappear here in a couple minutes. Oh. Gonna have to fix that. I should not have taken that trade. But it took both directions. And oh, it's got 15 points. Target, or because the stop's only 10 points, that's why. Yep. All right, see how this gap holds up. See if we can come back down to VWAP. Let's see if we can come back down to the 21 EMA. Any and all of those. Okay, the 1 minute weighted moving average and the 21 EMA on the 1 minute, we are getting ready to, we're crossing back above it. So does that mean bullishness? Could be. One thing I'm kind of starting to notice. A lot of times when we cross, we'll get a lot of choppiness. Until some future time where then we get a move. 3 minutes left on the 15. Points, 34, 51. Now we're at 23. Kind of trying to hold court on the top of that gap, on the 1 minute gap. Let's see. I got some time here. I don't even know what today is. Okay. Undo that. There we go. All right. So the 29th. 30th and 31. Okay, so next 3 days are B days. So today's a B day. Oh, no, disregard that. I put him in the wrong spot. There we go. Control copy. There we go. And 1, which we won't trade on the 1st. Okay. There we go. All right. So today's a C day, tomorrow's an A day, and Wednesday's a D day. What if I put that to 0? Yeah, I'll just keep it at 1. I'm just waiting. We're just kind of consolidating here. Oops, forgot to put the date there, so 29th. Okay, we got an inside bar. I'm gonna turn this guy off. All his data disappeared. And he'll only take a long. He's not gonna take that short. We're still down 100 points. Dropping back below VWAP. Probably coming down to this EMA here. I'll turn him off. And this one might not hit. Morning, Michael. If we had a good weekend. A cold weekend. I think you did. All right, so 12 minutes left on the 15. I'm kind of watching that. The gap fill is 713 on the 15. So right in here. You got a 5-minute gap fill at 726. Right here. We have the middle of the opening range, which is right here at 741. That's what we got to watch for. So see if we drop that with any kind of Momo, or do we maintain it? Yeah, same with me. Kids left. And did some cleaning, organization. And now we're back to our little system. All right, watching the 741 area. Also watching, that's the 21 EMA on the 1 minute. Watching the 21 EMA on the, on the 2 minute. Pretty close. The 1 and the 2 are pretty close at 33 and 35. So kind of watching those guys. Let's see if we can close back above this 50% range of the opening range. 741.50. We also have bear target 2 at 25,755. So that's an easy no-brainer. Put a line there, if you ask me. All right, 20 seconds left to see if we close above this or not. If we close down below the 21 EMA, then I would look at that low of that candle as my entry short. But now probably my entry long would be above 755 right here. I'm going to give it a little shot. Let's see what happens. And just a 10-point stop. We got 9 minutes left on the 15. $55, $65. I'm not willing to give it any more than 10 points, so if I get stopped, I get stopped. Okay. Okay, so we did not take out the London high. We got close, but we didn't. We're now dropping the London low right here, right now. All right, 20 seconds left on this candle. So my thinking now is, okay, if we drop down and close below this 21 EMA, my short will be the low whatever that turns out to be. Right now it's down at 11. All right, TCS just took a short. So I will sacrifice one here. 11.21 is my stop. Don't really care for that too much. Okay, there you go. Now see if we come back right back above. TCS stop is 89. Oh, that's a big stop. That's a 70-point stop. Ooh, I don't know if I'm willing to take that much. Okay. We'll try one more time. Ooh, yeah. Go. $72. See what we're going to do here in the 2-minute. I might go get some coffee here in a second. I don't have my coffee person isn't available this morning. Okay, get rid of that. Yeah, 73-point stop loss. That's just too much. I might have to max or put a max in there. Let's see. 17 and 35. Let's go 30. So that would be 47. You would have been stopped out. Okay, so I'm sure if I put my fibs on here from the low, I'll do session low to session high. And yep, we just came down and triggered the 61.8 at 723. So the next point of interest for me is 697. So this guy, we're right at the London low. So let me just put a line here and get rid of the fibs. 697. There we go. Okay. Okay, so 61.8 is right here, around 620 or 722. And then the next point of entry is around 697. I'll see if I can get that. We're going to have a gap fill here. So far, it's right about there. 39 seconds left. Let's go. Come on. Okay, so we got a 15-minute inside play. And then, let's see, the short will be at 711.
Inside bar, entry.
There you go. And targets are right around 691 or so. Make it stopped out here on the one contract. We swept that bottom, moved up. Yep. You sucker fish. And we're going to take a stop, it looks like. Wowzer. Six, 745. I'm at 741. Oh, it is what it is. Alright. Gonna take it. Oh, so it did take the short, it did take the stop. I moved just slightly above it. Got to record the loss, though. Oh, it recorded it for me. And 44.15 is, that'd be 45. 5. Okay, so this guy's done. And this guy's done. All right, looking to see if we can get down to, I think 697 would be a good target to hit. I'll move my stop down a little bit more. I'm not willing to, if it comes back up, it won't be a good thing. Since we come back to 0, damn it. I'll try to take this to a little bit of profit if I can. Nope. Okay. $15 has 9 minutes left. If we come back down, I'll add one. If I get taken out at the stop up here, then I'll remove it. Come on, let's break it. There we go. So we came down, hit that 97, no problem. I'm going to go ahead and just lock one in. Lock that guy in. We didn't get 93. TCS needed 93.70 or 93.25. What did we get? The low was 94.25. But we'll let that try to play out. Go. Okay. It turned out a lot better than what it was. PCS is up 51 points. Stop loss went to break even at 1675. A lot of times I don't mind taking a short from that spot again. Its target 2 is 46 more points. Oh, sorry. It's right around 671. And it'll be locked out. It'll be done for the day. Okay. Okay, there's Gunslinger taking a short. PCS just took it short, or completed it. I'll just let that play out. Here's TCS. Got 10 and 18, and then just took this 24 and 46. Ha! 97 points. That's crazy. Crazy, Michael. Let's see. Let's see if we can come down to low a day. Opening range low. Let's go, come on. potential another chop area. Come on, baby, let's go. Okay, so 84 to 60 is 25 points. Potential 25, 35, 42. Thought we'd sweep the bottom there. We took out this one. If we come back up to the 21. Reason why I thought we had bounces, we're getting a cross at the 1 minute weighted moving average in the 21 EMA. So what I've seen is every time we get a cross there, we seem to either chop or go sideways for a few. It happened at 9:40, and we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about 8 to 10 minutes of sideways, or then we got to move down. And we just crossed at time 14, and we're on our 3rd minute here. So if this thing doesn't stop out, I'll re-enter right here if we come back down. If it stops out, I'll just discontinue the trade. We got out somewhere in here. All right, so there's the stop. Yeah, I'm not interested in that trade anymore. All right, back to the 21 EMA, tagging it. So for me, a short would be around 691, 692. These jokers. We got one of those creamy units for Christmas, Michael. So we've been making high protein desserts, and they are pretty good. I want to make some strawberry sherbet, actually, sherbet. Pretty good though, let me just tell you that. Okay, so move back down below this candle. Let me go to a 2 minute. Yep. Below this guy right here, 91. I would take that short. Again, just one contract. We got a nice little, trying to get my little guy here. You know, the 21 EMA's coming back around, coming down. See if it'll hold. Fills that gap fill at 699. We're at 11 minutes on the 15. It filled its 15-minute gap. There really was no 5-minute. There's a larger 5-minute gap up above 579 or 759, but I don't know if we get up there. We could. We're still down 160 points. Momo is to the downside. VWAP on the 15 is obviously pointing down. The bad thing is we're below bear target 2, and a lot of times we like to just hang out at bear target 2 on days with not a lot of price. Okay, why do I have this? I have one contract running. I don't know why. Obviously, it's a short. Come on, Replicanto. You're supposed to be taking care of me. Yeah, it's not even registering, but it is here, but not here. That's weird. You're going to have to get stopped out. All right, we're kind of holding at the 21 EMA. I could actually move my short entry up here. Right below this guy. If we close above it, I'll have to close that one little guy out. Yep, he's down 70. All right, I'll just close him out. And maybe even close this guy out. So we took out that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Okay. Okay, so now the long is above 728. I'm not a real big fan of that long. Okay, TCS, you're done. I can record you at 97. Damn it. Uh, 97.25, and you took 2 trades. Both were winners. One more time. There we go. I'd actually like to move back down. I don't think I'm going to get it though. We got a 15-minute long at right above the 4150 area. VWAP at 51. TCS taking a short or a long. Up to 69. Got above that 4150 area. See if it can hold it. That's the opening range 50% mark. Got to get above VWAP, which is at 751. Well, TCS is done too. I can record that one. Okay, that one. 15-minute minus 60. 5 minutes is 0. And the 15-minute is, the pre-2 minute is 15 points. minute 45 left on the 15. Big old green candle on the 15 minute. Crossed the previous high at 41.50. Previous 15 minute high, that is. So 41.50, 61.50 would be a, I would think would be a decent target. Almost got hit on that 10-point stop. If we can stay above that 41.50 area, that's kind of the key. Okay, if we come back down, I probably don't want to be in. Trying to get above VWAP there. Not even challenging it yet, really. We haven't even hit it. VWAP's at 51. There we go. Now we challenged it. Dang it. Come on, get back up there. Basically, got about a 3-point risk. Make close to 18, I think. 43, 61, close enough. Just need to move back above VWAP, and I think we'll get it. We got a new 15-minute candle. It's got 13 minutes left. It's filled its gap. Dang it. We also have a 5-minute weighted moving average right here at 40, right here at the same number, 43, 44, actually 47, and VWAP's there at 51. Still think this is a good play. Should have got back in right where I was supposed to at 41.50. Got to get above bear target 2 at 755. Michael, what's your bear target 2? Is that close? 755? Let's go. Come on, give me 69. I'll take 65. Got to get above here at 54. It's probably 54, and then the next big one to get above is 60. And then 76. Got to get above VWAP, I guess 51 first. Really close above it. There we go. Maybe we'll get this push now. Come on. There we go. Push up. Give me 65. Okay. So 754, 755 area is that bear target 2. We're trying to fight it. Just get right below VWAP there. Probably not a very smart stop area. Just we're too close to action. Give me some action, Jackson. Fly up above that. Let's go. Let's get 60. Let's get, yep, our next big target up there is at 60. So we got to get above 60. There we go. Come on. You can do it. I'm going to hide behind bear target 2. Actually, I'll go ahead. There we go. Took it off. Excellent. Good. And this guy. Come on. Take him out. I'm going to go ahead and take him out. Take him out myself. Whether or not he gets it or not doesn't matter. Well, it does, but because I would like him to be a winner. There we go. All right. He won that one. Still in the game. Perfect. All right, that was a good play. Slowly building her up. Very slowly. Oh, Gunslinger took another one. He said, screw it, we're going higher. I don't know about that, but I'm going to take a Fibonacci from the bottom. Fibonacci from the top session, 819 down to the low where IB is now at 662. And okay, we're above the 61.8 on that move up. We got to get to 785. Now we're getting into 21 point. So 48, 50, 23 point stop. Just closed the 1 minute gap. Don't really have any other ones that I can see except for way down here. There's a possibility. Come back down. But let's see how it plays out. Okay, 7 minutes left on the 15. 48, 42. Possible. Gonna get taken. Yep. Got taken out. Give and take day today with Gunslinger. I was actually hoping for the long up here on the 5 minute, which would be 807, and I would take that. That's why I re-engaged him. So 785 is the 78.6. And he's got 20 more minutes of playing. Back above VWAP, I might consider that long. I would have liked to have come down and taken out that, or at least tagged the 21 EMA. We're getting down to the time period, you know, the 11 o'clock witching hour. Let's see. Right now, long above 737, 75. We'd like to come down and touch that 21 EMA on this candle, and then that would give me a long at 52.25. Oh. Got 3 minutes left on the 15, and right now we're kind of putting in a not a very bullish candle. I'll tell you that. Down 120 points. NASDAQ. $734 is where I'd like to come down to. Yep. But not looking like she wants to come down either. Get a long back above VWAP. I could be a little extra safe and go right up there. Come on down and hit it. All right, minute left on the 15. See if we can get see if we can turn that candle big green. Probably need at least 72 in the 70 area. It'd be nice to break that 73 area. I don't think we will, but if I can grab 10 points, I'll grab 10 points here. Let's go. All right, 20 seconds. We'll get a new 15. $750 is the high there. All right, going to get a new 15-minute candle here. Push it. See if we can break that 61 area. We're right at bear target 2, hanging out. No. Bird. I don't want to take anything else, but I'll take that 10. $737. Right at our favorite spot, VWAP. Come on, let's go. Little Momo to the downside. If you'd be so kind. Don't need much. Just a little push. I got my little trading buddy right next to me. Let's go. There we go. A little more. Cruise it on down. There we go. Good, good. Good, good. Perfect. Maybe not perfect, but not bad. Let's see how much more time you got. I think he has a 1 candle cool off period. I think it might be able to take one more trade if it gets there. Big gunslinger. Here we go. So we didn't even, if I take it from the high here down to this low, you can see we cruised above the 61.8 and then coming down. We got IB down here at, right here, the blue line or the cayenne line at 661. Oh, there it is right there. 661.75. That's also the opening range low at 664. Right over here, this candle. And we've got a low. Oh, that is IB is the low. This guy should take another trade here. There you go. Can he withhold? Can he hold the line? I don't know. Oh. So 54. Oh, 22. So around 20 points. 18. No, 22. That's where we're at. These are all based on the average true range, his targets, and I did put a must have put a stop 25 points is maximum. We'll look at that in a second. I didn't know I did that. Or I didn't remember that I did that, I should say. All right, we got some gap fills up on top. We could come up to that 700, so kind of a risky stop area. I like 705 a little better. Figures. rectangles. Gap, top of the gap is 708. Bottom of the gap there is around 93. So I would probably, I could take that 91-ish. Probably would like 80 or 90, probably right around there would be a little better. Tighter of the two. Okay, so fixed is 25. So, because theoretically his stop should be right up here. But leave him right around there somewhere. Oh, I'm going to get stopped out too. Fuck you. He's going to get taken. We'll put him up at his original stop area. $7.14. I was going to get taken. Yep. All right, we got a couple sell gaps up there. Looks like this is going to be the range, so I don't know if I want to be short here. This could just be one big range, right? And we're towards the bottom of the range. So long might be better. Okay, coming back up to the 1 minute weighted, the 21 EMA. See if we can hit 725, 724. Top of that gap fill is about 723. 2350. I'm going to add one if we get down below 700. So 706 minus 40. Got a new 15 just started. This guy's done. Got to get below 93. I think it's going to be a key. We dropped 93 and then a move down towards the lows. Probably going to happen. That'd be my guess. Just a guess. But we're going to have to break and close below 93. Come on, 13, hold it up. Oh. I need some coffee, damn it. All right, if we can close below 93, got a little tickle. Come on. I'm going to take one off here. And then I'll add if we come back down below 93. And then I'll go to stop, break even at 700. We could get a gap fill up here to right around 703.50. See if we can get a strong 15 minute to cruise on down. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna bring my stops down. Ooh. Let's see if we come down to IB. That'd be great. $83. So if I can get to 73 and then 63. Damn it. Okay. Well, let's go with 63. I'll leave my stops where they're at. Well, we closed below that 93 I wanted, but just no more Momo to the downside. Kind of stalled. Didn't get anything out of that. All right, so he's done, -9. Still like the idea of coming down and sweeping IB. Damn it. Tried to add one there. The short is on the 15-minute, 674.25. Okay, just filled the 1-minute gap at 89 just now. See if we can come back down. Got 6 minutes left on the 15, minute 20 on the 5. Just kind of hanging out here. All right, that was a good entry. All right, we're getting into that 11:10 time frame, 11 o'clock time frame. Oh, come on. Oh, shit. All right, we're holding that 93 short. But really no Momo on the 15-minute. We got 4 minutes left. The short is 73, 74. So 73, 75, I think. 74.25. See if we come up. So we're hitting the 21 EMA there. I still like to move down to IB. I don't know why. Something tells me that's where we're going. But we only have 2 minutes left on the 15 here, and it's kind of a doji looking so far. It will be an inside candle. So the long above, well, as of right now, 714.75, and the short as of right now 680. See how it plays out. All right, so Gunslinger's done also. I could probably go ahead and track him in. -9. And he took 3 wins and 3 losses. Ooh. Okay. So you're done. The 5 minute hasn't played out yet, so I'll still leave that open for a few minutes. Here's real quick. Here's Gunslinger. I went ahead and put him in right here at -9 for the day. I always just round to the whole number, whatever it is. And 3 wins, 3 losses, 63% roughly, 48 trades, 30 winning, 18 losers, 11 winning days. So far the win streak is still 5. It was up here the first 5 days. And these two should be highlighted yellow also. So, and then here is TCS, big winner today at 97 points. So far, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Since I reenacted him, 6 trading days. Oh, total trades 9. Winning trades is 8. 1 loser. 4 winning days, 1 losing day, minus 50. And that was just 1 trade, had a big stop, 25 points. So times 2 was 50. So he stopped out and was done for the day. I got it set at 40 points win, 40 point loses. So, but not too bad, 199 points, 88% win rate. Oops. Okay, so I got a legitimate entry here below this candle if we keep coming down of 95. I'm at 94. And then 15 minutes short on an inside 15-minute candle below 80. I'll take that one. Oh, actually, I should have taken this short right here, 700, darn it. So 20 points from there at 700 should be 80, which is pretty close to where I am. Oh, that's the entry. So I will take this off right here at 81. And then I'll re-enter one for the 15-minute, which is roughly, so that'll be 79, that'll be 59. And I'll get right above IB, which IB is 61.75. Actually, if it breaks that, it should give me this, no problem. Five points. Should come down 5. Gap fill up to 700. What do you know? I really don't like this pullback here. I would have liked to have broken the low. That would have meant we would have momentum to the downside. Okay, so I got a short signal there. Okay, so gap fill, 1 minute gap fill to 700.25. 93, 83, 10 points, darn it. Come on. $15-minute inside candle short, Michael, at 70. Well, here, let me get the actual number. The low is 80. If we can drop that, we could get a little pump down, hopefully to take out IB. Problem is we didn't break that low. That's a problem. And we're running out of steam here. So 84, that'll be 64. Down 175 points on NQ. SPY has not taken out its pre-market low at 686.68. Neither has Q's. Come on, let's go. Let's break that 15-minute low. Just got a little wedge going. Come on. Last trades of the day. I need coffee. Let's drop lower. That would be a better play. Nope. Yeah, we're down in the lower part of the range, so I mean, really, you got this, you know, you can see it right here. You can even see it from over here. Right? I mean, really, until you break that down, you got this big one coming from the top. 4 minutes to go on the 15. Just kind of sideways for the last 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 minutes. We drop back below 97. So 709 was a good entry. Minute. Minute 25 on the 15. I have no idea what it's going to do. It's going to be another inside 15-minute candle. Back to back. Going to get chopped up. .43 seconds left. 713 for the long. 82 for the short. Going to get it back above the 21 EMA. Just getting chopped up. Stop playing. $93. It got down to 86 this time. $12 and 17. There's 17. Where's the 12? I had 12.25. All right, 1 minute weighted is up at 713. All right. There is a smaller wedge too, something like this. And it's still a sell until it's not. Get above 17, we could get a decent push. Maybe a 20-pointer. Yep. That was a good one. That was still a good one. And just going back and look at my shorts and stuff I did, I'm actually good with all of them. Down 165 points. I'll try to lock in 10 if I can. slow motion. Choppy chop. Okay. We got the 1 minute gap fill. 707. Lock in 10 if I can. Come on, drop a little more. All right, see if we can break that other 15-minute low right around 79.80 area. Should be right there, right at 80. We can, I'll lock in 15, maybe 20. That'd be around 81. Nope. Didn't quite get there, did we? Pretty close. Really close. Yeah, I'm gonna lock one in right. The 701. If I can lock in 81, I'll lock it in. All right, there's the 1 minute gap. We did not break that number, 80. Double bottom. The low is 80.25 and we needed 80. Two minutes left on the 15. It'd be great to come down and smash it out right now. Fucker. All right, minute 20 left. All right, so I'll lock in 10. Come on, give me 80. Reason being, if we get 80, good chance we can come down to the IB area, 661. SPY, what are you doing? SPY came down and bounced on its pre-market low. But there's a good chance we can come down now. Let's go. Nope, maybe not. Maybe we're going to bounce here. New 15-minute candle. And it's got to break 80. We're going to continue to go down. VWAP's pointing down, 21 EMAs are pointing down. But we're just kind of hanging out at it. All right, that might be it for me. Just can't get any momentum, Michael. You're probably done trading, huh? Or did you even trade today? Now, Brett, back. Let me let the cat out. All right. See the wedge held for the most part. I'm glad that it didn't take that guy or this guy. So we kind of got a, right, this wedge here. We kind of got, we came up, little pop-a-doo, came down, a little pop out, and now we're back in it. Be nice to do something like this. Unless you get a double fakie, right? Fake it here, and slam it on up. You got a buy signal. Nope, that's on the 2 minute. That's no good. Still got a sell signal on SPY. On Qs, still got a sell signal, but just going sideways. Okay. 718 roughly, a high there. 718.25 should be the long. Be nice to do like all 2 minute charts. So this is where I'm thinking as far as that long is right above here. Right where that line is. It doesn't want to stay for some reason. Oh, there we go. Nope. Oh yeah, we can't trade this. Look at our 2 minute charts, ATR's down to 14. I'm done. All right. That's all I got. Can't trade this. We're not going anywhere. We're not doing anything. We'll get a pop eventually, either to the upside or to the downside. You know, if we just keep this up, because it's only 11:52, so maybe after lunch or even during lunch, maybe they pop it. So yeah, my little recross system says short. It gave me a short at 11 o'clock, 11:16, 11:28, and 11:42, and none of them worked out. Just sideways. Ciao. All right. That's it. See you later, Michael. Have a good day. Good luck. If you're watching this later in the day, hopefully you had a good day. All right.
Riding the lightning of a million screens, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams, gonna make money, no tilt.